Don't panic. It's going to start in 1 hour. We have to prepare. These are the hurricane safety rules.
Okay, rule 1. Guys, stop! Where's my puppy? He's outside!
We need to find him right away.
My puppy!
Don't worry, we have time.
He's there! Go, go! Yeah! Go, go!
Okay, let's go back to the rules.
Remove all objects from outside that can fly away. This can fly away. We have to take it in the house. Close all doors and windows. Glue the windows with stripes of paper.
Guys, do it like this.
Prepare a flashlight, candles, and a radio. Stock up on food and water for 2 to 3 days. Stay away from windows. I'll get some more pillows, okay?
Don't worry, we are ready.
Noodles, not healthy. Yeah, this is not healthy. More noodles? More noodles? They're healthy. Fish, too. Freezes. Something healthy. Yeah. Let's see what's inside. Chocolate cheese. Oh, chocolate cheese.
Yeah, it's here. Don't worry.
Oh no! It's gone!
Wow!
Good job!
Good job, guys. We did it.
Guys, remember these rules and stay safe. Bye! Like Nastya!
Sweetie, wake up. It's time for school.
I'm already big, like an adult.
Let's go, baby. Hmm?
Sorry, Daddy, I'm not a baby anymore. And I will go to school by myself.
Okay.
Bye. I have to cross the road.
Stop.
Huh?
You can't cross the road here. It's dangerous. Cross only at the crosswalk.
Okay, thank you.
It's dangerous. Look.
You shouldn't take other people's items on the street because there could be something life-threatening inside.
Okay, bye.
Police?
Hey, you! Do you need a ride to school?
Ah, okay.
Nastya, stop! Stop! Look!
Uh-oh.
Oh, she's coming back. Hi, sweetie.
Hi. I think I'm like an adult, and I can stay alone at home.
Okay, let's try.
Yay! I'm gonna draw. Oh no! Ha! I can clean my dress by myself. What can I use? Oh!
Oh, no. That's very dangerous.
Household chemicals are dangerous for children and should not be touched to avoid chemical burns.
Use the soap.
Thank you. All clear. I want candy. Nothing. Nothing. No candy. Oh. Looks like candy. I will try it.
Stop. Don't do it.
Children, never take pills without adult supervision because it is a health hazard.
Okay, I understood.
Uh-huh.
Who is this?
Delivery. Open the door.
Ah, delivery. Okay.
Aha!
Children, never open doors to strangers.
I get you.
Help!
Aha!
Daddy! I don't think I'm ready to be an adult yet. I still want to be a baby while I find out all of the safety rules.
Good idea.
Like Nastya. Hi.
Attention. Hurricane is coming. Leave your house.
Okay, bye. I got it. Thank you. Maybe hurricane is a good thing or a bad. I don't know.
Attention! Attention!
It's not cool.
Oh, kid! Come on! Come on! Come on! Hurricane, it's very dangerous. Look,
Hurricanes are giant storms that produce heavy rainfall and super strong winds. They form when warm air rises, causing an area of lower air pressure below. Most hurricanes occur harmlessly out at sea. However, when they move towards land, they can be dangerous.
Now I know. Thank you. Bye. Look, a new house.
Attention, attention. Deluge coming. Leave your house.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna hide. What means deluge? I don't know. What is this?
Attention, attention. Deluge, deluge. Kid. See. Come on, come on. Go.
My house.
You don't know what it's deluge?
No.
Look.
A flood is a rise of water with no place to go. It mainly happens in rainy areas, but a really strong one can be unstoppable and overpower everything in its way.
Now I know. Bye.
Bye.
My house. Huh, I will build a new one. Ta-da! Hey! Hi.
Attention, attention. Lava coming. Leave your house. Leave your house.
Lava? Okay, bye. What means lava? Ah!
Hey, leave your house.
I need help.
You need to learn how lava is dangerous. Look.
Volcanoes are holes in the earth from which molten rock, gas, and ash erupt. When we talk about erupt, it means to burst out in a rather dramatic way, blowing the volcanic ash and liquid rock inside it right up into the air.
Now I know. Bye. This is my new house. It's very strong house. Hi.
Attention. Earthquake coming. Leave your house.
Okay. Bye. Earthquake. What is this? I don't know. Is it earthquake?
Yes. Look.
Earthquakes are a quick and sudden shock of the Earth's surface. They happen when the Earth's tectonic plates collide. And more than 1 million earthquakes happen on Earth every single year.
Guys, give me a like more.
And for me.
A lot.
For me.